Wanna know how to create stack on your Evernote account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on the three straight parallel lines on the top left corner. Tap on Notebooks below all notes. Basically, to create a stack, you need to at least have two of the notebooks. As you know that, stack is a feature of piling two of the notebooks together. So I am going to choose two of the notebooks from my own option. That would be Dolphin's Dilemma and Helen's Pancake. So to create a stack out of these two notebooks, all you have to do is tap on this three dotted straight line next to one of the notebook on the corner right. You have an option of move to new stack. Tap on move to new stack below rename stack. You can keep a name for the particular stack. I'm going to keep a name for it. When you're done, tap on OK on the bottom right. So this is the particular stack that I've created. So I can add the next notebook to it. I am going to keep it. Tap on this three dotted straight line next to the notebook that you want to keep it into the stack and create it. Tap on move to stack below rename notebook. Select the particular stack that is a keystone pipeline, the name of my stack. Tap on it. Just by doing it, you can see that you have piled up two of the notebooks into one stack by creating it. You can even add Kiki's delivery service to it as well. The same process. Tap on this three dotted straight line just next to it in the bottom right. Tap and move to stack below rename notebook. Tap on the particular name of this stack that you want to keep. So this is it. This is how you create a stack and move the notebooks to this particular stack. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.